Okay, so now we'll talk about now we will talk about Jira software management, software project management software. Mostly, yeah, this software is used to manage projects, mostly software management projects. I'm going to share my screen where I will be taking step by step all the all the steps to solve or create Jira account and Jira project. You can see my screen now. You just have to write Jira software and search. See, this is sponsored. Don't go to sponsored result. It will go to different places. I'm not saying that these projects, these project management software are good or bad. I'm saying let's understand the most standard tool which is widely accepted in industry. Okay, this is the first result, Jira. It is Jira software. It is from Atlassian, and this is one of the most popular software till now. You click on get it free because we are going to create a new account. Don't do these things. We can just go to either Google or Microsoft to create our account. So since I we have Microsoft account income in this college, so click on Microsoft. It will use my Outlook login to create account. So since I have already logged in with that, so I picked up. Okay, something is wrong. Okay. I don't know what happened. So I'll go again, search again Jira software, and we'll see what happened. Jira software. This is Jira. If I click on sign in, maybe I'm already signed in. Yeah. Again, I already logged in with Google account. So now I go to again Atlassian, and then I go to show all products. I'll go to Jira work management. Maybe I need to have Jira software. See that? We have to work on Jira software. And now you might have many different phases to reach here. I will ask you how to create a project. You have to click on create a project. Don't go here. It will create an issue. This will create a project. I click here. Now, this is important step. So now we will only talk about Kanban board, which is which will have simple column structures. And then we go down. We'll see how Kanban board looks like this. All right, and continuously improve. We can improve these things over time. And I click on use template. See that? Here also, here also. We can have two places where we click on use template. Now, see that what type of project we need, company managed or team managed. Since we are creating first time and we are using it for our teams, so I will say that it should be team managed. So I go here, I select team managed. Now, whatever name you want to write, say I will write Fleming project MGMT 2023. For example, I just want to write this. You see that key is created. So now I will go to next, and it is going to create something. Now if I go to project, this is my project which is already created. What is Kanban? Kanban board is a visual representation of our tasks to do, in progress, and done. See that? To do, in progress, and done. So in this case, whenever we have some tasks, so we can write those things in to do. If somebody is taking that work, it will be in progress. And if it will be completed, we can write done. But the challenge with us would be we can have that we have seen some examples. So let me share that example again. Suppose we have development phase where we have design, front end and back end, then development, front end, back end, and integration development. And we can have two phases of testing, testing phase one, testing phase two. And after that, we can have project closure. So how to manage these things? So first of all, I'll tell you how to create issue. Click here and you write. So we are not going to write initiation, closure and all. We are going to talk about exact task. I can write down design front end. This is one task. Okay. Then I have to work on design back end, right? Or we can go here to create task top like this, or we can click here. It will go to full screen view. All right. So I can see the project name, issue is task, and it is where it is in to do. And summary means title. Title of that will be development front end. And we can write some description here. Project design is already done. File is attached. Okay, and click on create. What will happen? You can see now we can have three tickets. Development front end was also created, and we can now create another issue. We call it development. Now I can say back end. Sorry, back end. And description is, since we are only studying these things, so I can write API development server setup etc. These things will be in our backend development. And now I will write down testing. So what can I do? I can either create testing here, phase one, for now, just to make it simple, and you can have testing phase two. Okay, that's how. If everything will move to done, then project will be completed. So what is going to happen? Suppose I started working on this. I click on design front end. So what I'll do, I'll move it to in progress. Okay, I'll say that. I'll write down my comment. I say that, okay, I have this task. Please give me access to the whatever question I can ask. I can tag somebody. For example, this person is my team member. I'll say, team member, give me that. So it will be recorded here that I have asked this person that give me this access so that now your project manager know that you are stuck and you need some help from somebody, right? And if I cross this, then I will see what? I'll see, okay, this task is already in progress. You can see one task is in progress, five tasks are in to-do list. And if somebody will start on design backend, either you can select from here or you can just drag and drop. And now it will show two. See that? Two tasks are in progress and one task is in to do. Making sense? Right. So, so now we have two tasks in progress and one task. Nothing is done. And somebody start working on that, and that person says, "Okay, I have done the design," and that person will write, "Design is attached," and you can have attachment. How? Where's the attachment? Let me open that. I click here. Then what will happen? It will open on full page. See that? And I can say that design is attached. And I can have option to attach something. I can have I can have attachment option like here attach. If I attach some file here, you can see that this file is attached. Okay, design attached is, and then I will tag my project manager, that this is my project manager, and I will click here, and you can see the progress, and this person will say it is done. If I go to my project again, claiming project management 2023, so you can see that this task is done and this is crossed also. So now we can think that what happened to this? Why are we doing it? We don't have a team member. Yes, that's right. But we can have teams from here. Click here and we can go to search, create a team, or I can write team name here, or I can just go here, teams, and invite people to Jira. Okay, I can create a copy. I can create this link and copy, and I can send this link to people, or I can write their email ID. Okay, this is my own name, so I think it will not work. Maybe I can write something like, so now this system is going to send invite to that person, and you go and log in that. This person will have access to this, and that's if that person will join here, so I can see two name here. But that person, it did not join yet because that's my account and I have not gone to join that. You can see two names. Let's see if I can tag that person. Not yet, because I have to invite and that person should accept it. Now I'm going to another computer and accept that invite. Let me go to this computer and accept it. And we'll see the demonstration of this task. It will be in updates. I got that last email. Accept invite. I have to log in with Google because I have used Google ID. Yes, I'm doing it on my phone. It's a easy process. Don't think that it is going to take time. Now you can see if I refresh the page or reload the page. Okay, if I can see this name with this person already accepted that invite. Okay, if and I tagged this person or I can assign this person like this. See that? Now this person, that name is Saurabh, for you, got design backend. And if I will type here in from my different computer, I click on design backend on my different computer and I am going to update something. I have just mentioned, hi there, this is my test comment and I am saving it here. Oh, wow, this is great. So I got this name. I don't know what happened. I have created, maybe some other account was created. So now Mr. Satin has replied to that using my ID. See that? So now we understand how members invitation work and how we can collaborate using Jira. And if it is done, let's see. I'm not doing anything now. Whatever you call Saurabh or Satin, that person will write update the status. Okay, let's see if it is going to change or not. And design backend should move to done. All right. So you want to do that. All right. So this person who is now working on design backend V2 will be moving this task to done. Okay. I should not use this mobile, or I should use mobile app, but no worries. Let's move it. So I'm changing it to done. What is going to happen? Design backend V2 should shift to done. Oh, wow, it's done. You see that? So it is working almost real time. If you can change something, it is going to reflect it here. So what is the advantage here as a project manager or project sponsor, that your team is doing something, it is going to update in real time, and you know that nothing is in progress now. Okay, your team member will start working on something and then that person will be updating this one by one. Making sense? Right? So that's all for this Jira tutorial. Now I'm going to stop this meeting. We'll start this meeting again and we will do similar things in Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project is ideally for construction kind of projects, and Jira is ideally for good for software type of projects. But we can do anything anywhere. Microsoft Project is a very strong tool which can help us to manage schedule properly. It's very controlled for very controlled planning, and management of cost is easier there. I'll show you how to do those things in that. So that's all for Jira tutorial for now. We can have another tutorial maybe next week. If you have any question, make sure you comment anywhere. I'll answer you.